Hello guys, Mike Mohebi here. Today is 28th of July. As you can see, it's 5:37 a.m. in Melbourne. It's 3:37, 27th of July in New York, and in London. It's 27th of July in London, New York. Today, a couple of strange things. Oh, well, interesting actually. It's AUDJPY, as you can see from the past like 8 days. It's been going up. It's a very sharp channel moving up, and now it's kind of fluctuating between these lines. Let me just draw this for you. It's the good thing is that if you zoom out, you will see more of this channel. You see, this is the channel that is fluctuating, and it's kind of a flag. Okay, this flag is about 60 pips. Okay, it's about 600 pips. So when you zoom out on a weekly chart, there's a very beautiful head and shoulders formed, you know, down here, up, down. This is the first shoulder, this is the head, and this is the second shoulder. It's a bullish head and shoulder. So the market's moving down, has been moving down, now it's changing direction. It's gonna move up from this neckline to the head to the chin. It's about 800-900 pips. Okay, so the analysis of a head and shoulders is that when it breaks the neckline here, it's gonna move exactly, well, almost the distance of a neckline to the chin, to the head. So if we measure this from the 800-900 pips, it's gonna be close to that resistance line up there. That's what we expect that the price moves. So from there, it's gonna move up to here. So in daily time frame, you can see this pin bar here. This pin bar is formed, and this one, and it shows that the market is getting ready to have a kind of an up move. So I think we can enter here if you want, and put your stop loss at the bottom here below this, and the target of, well, if you work in a weekly chart and by a weekly time frame, probably it's better to at least first put your target in the middle of this these two channels, these two resistance lines at this target. This is the first resistance level. Put your first target here. If the market moved very good close to your target, you can move your stop loss higher, and then move your target to the second target and enter again if you get any other signals in this between these move. The next interesting pair is AUD/USD. If you remember this channel, we said that if this breaks this channel, it's gonna move up. But the interesting thing is in weekly and monthly actually. See, the price was fluctuating between this kind of a triangle, this resistance line here at 0.7827. Every time it moved down, it made a higher low, and finally it broke this resistance line. In a monthly chart, if you take a look, this month and the previous month has been a very good month, and this broke. The first resistance that this price will see is about 0.8720. So it will be about 750 pips. So in daily, if we see anything, any kind of a signal, which we see, this is a very big pin bar here, and it touched down and moving up. Now it's going to back to 50% of this pin bar, so you can have a very good entry and put your stop loss at the bottom of here. put your stop loss down there, somewhere around there, and this pin bar is a very good pin bar, and then it's gonna move up. Hopefully you will have a very good trade. So make a small stop loss, so if the market came back and went against you, so you won't lose much, but a very good profit will be in this currency pair. The next one is this New Zealand JPY. As we said in the previous video, this is a flag is formed. The top of the flag broke, the price broke up, and it's coming back to touch down again. Maybe it's a false break, we don't know yet, but this pin bar here, see this pin bar, this shows that the buyers are very interested in pushing the price up, this kind of a doji and this pin bar, and if this price keeps above this level up to end of this week, tomorrow as well, we will see kind of a good move upward. But this is a very strong resistance line, has been having this resistance probably for past like long time, like 200 days. So it's 7 months. We had so many touches of this resistance line, and it's a very strong line. But yeah, if it breaks up and it comes back and touches this resistance again and then moves up, we can get a very good signal. But up to then, not much. The next thing is oil. Oil moved up very fast, and these two pin bars are not the buy pin bars. Okay, just remember, this is not the actual pin bar that we get a signal, but it shows that the price is moving up. The buyers are in power, and they try to push the price higher, and it broke this channel, this long-term channel that it had, and it broke this resistance line, and the next resistance line is gonna be at this level, somewhere around this resistance zone here. So it's gonna move higher, price gonna move close to this line. So the first target probably can be around 180 to 200 pips inside this, close to this resistance line or inside this resistance zone. You can put your target and put the stop loss under this pin bar, the second pin bar, the previous one. So you will get a very good reward to risk ratio. Okay, let's take a look at silver and gold. This is the daily of silver. As you can see, the price broke both of these moving averages, and it's been going up, but today it just moved back a little bit. Probably it's gonna touch here and then move up again, so you can get a good signal if you're not in this precious metal. And the gold is the same, it's moving up, but today it stalled a little bit, and probably it's gonna move back and touches this moving average. If you get a good signal, you can enter gold as well. It's moved halfway, as you can see, from this bottom here to the top there. It moved almost halfway in and had a kind of a resistance among, you know, these lines over here, there, on top here, and the bottom here. So this is kind of a resistance. If it goes back, it's forming a head and shoulder. Let me show you. This is the color is not good. Let's change it to yellow. This is the head and shoulder. It's pretty obvious. So probably it's gonna form the second shoulder and then move up, probably. So we wait and see what's gonna happen in this pair. And this is the neckline. So hopefully it's gonna work, and we're gonna have a very good trade in this pair. Okay, this was for today, and yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. This is a live trading sessions. I get my signals as I analyze the charts, so you can follow the signals. If you want to get notified as soon as I upload a video, click on that bell button so you will get notified exactly when I upload a video. You can get in and have a trade. Hopefully it's gonna work for you. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.